home remedy that will help you treat common cold and cough. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share and comment. Besides treating common cold and cough effectively, these home remedy also free from any side effects. Home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. How to make the syrup. In bowl add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey contains antibacterial properties as well as suction properties. Thus the mucus will make a coating on the membrane, which provides relief from a sore throat and cough and cold. Then add a few drops of lemon. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon can strengthen your immune system and help your body fight off infections such as the cold and flu virus. It may also shorten the duration of an illness. And a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon has several health benefits. The spice is rich in antioxidants and has several healing properties. Cinnamon has immunity-boosting abilities and can protect you from various bacteria. Mix well all the ingredients. These 3 ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough. Take 1 or 2 teaspoons of this cough syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. Take this syrup daily for 3 days for best results. This syrup will cure most chronic cough, cold, and clear the sinuses, and it's delicious too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos.